Hello, this is a demo of the new Sadhan Sangha Ashram website. So it's sadhansangha.org compared to sadhansanghaashram.org. It is shorter and easier to type. So first we have the header and we have the pictures. So when you hover, it scales up a bit. Below we have the Sadhan Sangha Ashram and we have a short note on it. You can read more about it by clicking on the read more button. Below we have the satsang. So the latest satsang in the playlist will automatically come here. You can play it here right away. And we have a short note on the satsang. Again, you can click read more to go to the satsang page. If you click the subscribe button, it will take you to the YouTube page where you can subscribe. If you click on the follow button of Spotify, it will take you to the Spotify page where you can follow. Below this, you have the followers section. Each of the buttons will take you to the respective Sadhan Sangha pages. We saw Facebook, there is YouTube, Spotify and Amazon Music. And lastly, we have the footer with all the links. So we have 4 sections here. Reach us, download app which is coming soon. We have the follow us and we have the navigation. These are all clickable. So for example, when you click the address, it will open up Google Map. And that's it for the home page. Let's navigate to the other pages. So we can do that by clicking on the read more or using the above header. Okay, let's click on the read more. So now we are at the ashram page. So here we see in the left side we have some photos of the ashram and in the right side we have detailed text with titles. And again we have the followers. So now let's go to the satsang page. Let's do that by clicking on the navigation at the footer this time. So at the top we have a video satsang that will start playing once we click play. Below on the left side we have the daily satsang. This will get automatically updated every day we upload the satsang at YouTube. And we have the collection of satsang listed. Let me click one. It will take you to the respective YouTube playlist. Below we have the Spotify and Amazon Music buttons. And in the right we have little about the satsang with respective titles. That's it for the satsang page. Let's go to the gallery. So at the top we have the text and instructions. So we can switch an album by clicking on the buttons, and once we click the picture, it will come to full screen. So in the gallery view, these are basically low quality thumbnails. When you click on them, it will load the high quality image in full screen, and you can use the buttons to navigate. You have zoom in, zoom out, and cancel to close, or you can click the escape button as well. So basically we switch the album like this. We currently have 2 albums, Guruji and Ashram. There will be more added soon. Now let's go to the contact page. So in the left we have the Google Map and in the right we have the address, phone number and email address. There is another page that's at the bottommost right corner. It's the privacy policy which states that we are not collecting any data, website operation, image usage, changes to the policy and the contact details again. Let's go back to home and let me show you the responsiveness of the website. So this is for a tablet view or a mobile view. As you see, the page changes, making it compatible for mobile view. For example, if you see the satsang section, they were placed side by side, but with a smaller device, it will be placed one below another. Same for the followers section. The buttons will move to rows. Same for the footer. The 4 sections will get stacked in a small device. Also the header changes. Now we have the menu button instead of showing all the items there. And we can navigate to the pages again from the menu. Now if you see the ashram page, so we have the text first and below we have the images. And this is dynamic based on the device size. And we load number of images also based on the availability of the space. Let's move to the satsang page. So here also based on the device, the content will get stacked on top of each other. So first the daily satsang and the playlist, then we have the also available at button and then the text. Moving to the gallery, in a small device we'll have only the text and below the images will align according to the device size. The rows and columns are basically dynamic. The same happens in the contact page. So in a small device, the Google map will be at the top and the details below it. That's it for the demo. Lastly, for the tech people or those who are interested to know how the website was made, we have a link here developed by. Once clicked, it will take us to the GitHub repo. This is basically the code base of the website, and it has all the details in the README file, the Netlify deployment status, the browsers which were tested, and the free hosting we are using. It also enlists the features and the upcoming features, as well as there is a section for contribution. Anyone can basically contribute by submitting a pull request, and CI/CD is set up with Netlify, so it will automatically get deployed once the PR is approved and merged with the main branch. Thanks for watching.